This is the graphical user interface of the application which displays a matrix, and then we can sort the matrix by rows and columns. I have used this label, then this is another label, this is the input field, sort and fill. These two are the push buttons, and this is the radio button. This is also a radio button. This is a table widget. I will use this table widget to show the original matrix, and this will be used to show the sorted matrix. Okay, now let's run the application in Thoni. But before running, let me explain something important about its working. Here I have imported the graphical user interface. Here I have linked the buttons, generate button and sort button. In the properties, these are the names of the buttons. Okay, this is the radio button. This is also a radio button, and I have taken an empty self matrix, and this is another empty matrix. Okay, this is the code which will generate a random n by n matrix based on the user input. Okay, then the user input will be taken into account, and it will be validated. It will check if a number is greater than 0 or not. After that, this code will generate a random matrix n by n. Okay, and here this will be used to display the matrix. When I have added this functionality, that when I will generate another random matrix, the sorted matrix will be cleared automatically. Okay, here you can see clear sorted matrix, and it will be used to display the matrix, and this method will be used to sort the matrix. It will be used to sort by rows and sort by columns, and it will display the sorted matrix. Sorry for that. And this is the functionality that when the radio button, first radio button is checked, then the second will be automatically unchecked, and when I checked the second, the first will be automatically unchecked. Okay, now let's run and check if it works or not. Here you can see this is an input field. I'm taking a matrix of 3 by 3. Here you can see a matrix with the random numbers has been generated. If I want to sort it, I click on sort, but there is an error. It is suggesting that please select a sorting option. I will sort it by the rows. Okay, you can see the matrix has been sorted 11, 47, 51, but here this is reverse. Okay, the order is different here, and here the order is different. If I click on sort by columns, you can see matrix has been sorted by the columns, and if I click on fill, here you can see another random matrix has been generated, and this matrix has been cleared automatically. If I generate a 5 by 5 matrix, here we have gotten a 5 by 5 matrix, and I want to sort it by columns, and you can see it has been sorted now by rows. It is working fine. Okay, in this way we can create and generate matrix, random matrix. You can see random matrix are being generated. Okay, so this is all about filling and sorting matrix application.